Welcome. My name is Abdul. I'm a software engineer, crypto analyst, and investor. And in the past, I have successfully invested over 100 crypto startups. In this video, I will show you how much Supra Airdrop I have got and how to claim your Supra Airdrop. Let's start with what is Supra. Supra Oracle is a blockchain-based Oracle services designed to bridge the gap between on-chain smart contract and off-chain data sources. Supra is quite similar to Chainlink, Pyth, and Band protocol, and it is an Oracle, decentralized Oracle. So all of you who are forming Supra token, you guys know that they have a blast of campaign where each week they give you a different mission. You completed that mission and you expand your cadet and you will get stars or the Supra airdrop. So I got around 5900 Supra token and you should get according to how many mission you have completed. So in order to claim the airdrop, you need to install a star key browser extension. It is similarly to MetaMask or Kepler Wallet. If you already install, I hope you already installed that one. So once you install that one, you need to do a couple of things. You need to go to your browser, whatever browser you're using. I'm using the Brave browser. You need to go to the extensions, star key wallet, and you should find details. And then you need to turn on the developer mode and you need to update. So the version should be 2.0.0 or over. So I already done that one. If your version is less than 2, you can't claim. So you need to update like that one. So once you update your star key browser extension, you need to come here. You need to check all network and mainnet. And in the mainnet, you need to get the receive Supra address because we want to fill at least 2 3 Supra into our star key as a gas in order to claim that. So you need to get the address and you can get couple of Supra from KuCoin, Maxi or Bybit, whatever exchanges you using. At least 2 to 3 Supra token you need to claim. And once you have a couple of Supra token, you need to come here, supra.com blast of token.claim. I will provide this link in the description. So just click that and you should see whatever the balance you withdraw from the exchange should show here. So once you're here, you need to start from here. You say I have got my tokens, so you should have some gas token in order to claim. I have got my token. Then you connect your Starkey wallet, send Supra because you already should have ready to claim. And here you will see whatever amount is claimable at that time. So I'm able to claim 590 Supra, so I already claim. So you can see I have full 5900 Supra token in my wallet, but out of that 590 is claimed and the rest is staked. I'm not sure why they staked this one. They should be immediately available, but they are not available. I'm not sure when they will be available. If any of you know this information when this available or is there any vesting schedule, please mention in the comment box. I will try to talk to the team to get this information sorted out for you guys. So you can see, and we have like I have like 6,112 Supra, and if we go to CoinGecko, the token price of Supra is around 0.066. Uh, it start around 1 cent, but like seven when it was initially a drop, but it get good attention and it went all the way to here. And I'm hoping that the token went a bit more further. So the token value currently is around $400, which is not bad. So the free money is free money. And if we see that total market cap of Supra, fully diluted valuation is 6.6 billion. I'm not sure it deserves that high valuation because if we see the top Oracle coins by market cap, the total market cap is 20 billion. And out of that, 16 billion is just a chain link and the Bit network is secondly at 1.8 billion. So the Supra with the valuation is 6.6 billion. I'm not sure. You guys should buy this one, but you can hold for a while because not all the tokens are in circulation. So short term, it may get pumped. That's all from me. Now I want to know what are your thoughts on Supra. Drop your comments below. Let me know how much Supra token you received. If you found this insightful, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification as I'm going to bring a couple of really exciting airdrop farming opportunities that I'm currently farming. Stay informed, stay decentralized.